In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for copywriting. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool to enhance your writing process. Let's dive in. First, let's see how ChatGPT can help us build a copy using the PS framework. This stands for problem, agitation, and solution. This is a powerful copywriting formula designed to grab your audience's attention, create a sense of urgency, and present your solution in a most compelling way. Now, we'll ask ChatGPT right here to give us a detailed PS framework for a product or service. Let's use an example of a productivity app. Let's say, for instance, ChatGPT, can you create a PS framework for a productivity app that helps users manage their time better? There we go. Now, let's hit send and see how ChatGPT would process everything as a result. Here we go. As you can see, here are the following. This is the problem. Here's the agitation right here that is currently in process. There's the solution. Yeah, there we go. Now we have our PS framework. But let's try to expand each of these points into a full copy. Now we need to dive deeper into the problem right here. We'll ask ChatGPT to elaborate on the problem statement. So, for instance, I'd ask ChatGPT, can you expand on the problem of people struggling with time management for a productivity app? Then we'll send it right over and see how ChatGPT would generate as a result. As you can see right here, this is how ChatGPT expands on the initial problem that generated earlier. Here we go. There are a lot of content right here. There we go. Perfect. Now we have a clear understanding of the problem. By elaborating on the problem, we can really connect with our audience and make them feel understood. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to highlight the negative impact of poor time management. This step is crucial because it helps to stir up the emotions of your audience and makes them feel the need for a solution more acutely. Let's ask, ChatGPT, can you agitate the problem by explaining the negative effects of poor time management? Here we go. Now, let's hit send and see how ChatGPT would generate. Here we go. So, notice how ChatGPT has highlighted not just the professional impact, but also the personal toll of poor time management. By doing this, we're making the problem feel more urgent and relatable. Finally, we'll ask ChatGPT to provide a compelling description of the solution. This step is crucial because it positions our product as the perfect answer to the problems we've outlined. For instance, put this prompt right here. Let's say, ChatGPT, can you describe how our productivity app solves the time management problem? Here, ChatGPT will highlight the key features and benefits of the app, showcasing how it directly addresses the user's pain points. Now, let's see how it goes. Here we are, and here's the solution. There you have it. As you can see, it's currently processing a clear, compelling solution that addresses the time management problems we've agitated. By presenting these features, we show our audience exactly how our app can transform their daily lives. As you can see right here, it's currently processing with all the features. Here we go. And There you have it. Here's how you'll copyright with a compelling PS framework, all generated using ChatGPT.